Crunch Fitness just opened up today. Let me tell y'all, they got it, y'all. I'm telling y'all, listen, I know y'all loyal to y'all One Lives and Iron Asylums, and I am too, man. I love them gyms too. I promise y'all I love them. But if y'all in the Hampton Roads area, if there's one thing y'all know about Mo, I would never steer y'all wrong about this fitness shit. Y'all have to tap in. But this ain't no long vlog video because this ain't what y'all here for. I know what y'all want to see. Let's
Keep
get
that shit on Twitter. Y'all ain't lit, y'all litter. Keep that shit in your shitter. Eat that shit, don't spit up. Keep my bad bitch did up. Keep my main bitch put up. Watching me do push-ups. She was playing with herself and I looked up. Damn, you thought I need to get her look up. You plotting on me, my foot up. Your squad ain't hard, that's cushion. That ain't sauce, that's pudding. Don't you cross her bosom, damn. Shooting up the jurors, damn. Don't name my pistol, I name the trigger. Benjamin Button, push him, bam. Y'all just pussy, get buried together and let them play footsie. Y'all just wussy. I got some bullies gon' pull up in hoodies and come take a look-see. Better play hooky, I got some hookers hooking up with